Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. We have a Dipnotic Nails Advent calendar. It is 25 days for the 25 days of Christmas. This is the intro video, and we will look at dip powder number 1 and talk a little bit about this Advent calendar. But let me show you what it looks like. So this is a magnetic box, quite fancy. Opens like that. This is the back, very beautiful. It is certainly a collector's box to keep. This is what you see when you open it. We got a little letter here. Pause to read if you would like. And then we have our 25 days. And they're just little drawers. So in this video, we're gonna pull out drawer number 1 for day number 1. And we're gonna have a little swatchy swatch and share my opinion. If you watched my zombie claw mini-series, this is going to be very much like that. We're going to have one miniature video for every day. They're going to be shorts on YouTube, it'll be on Instagram and TikTok and Threads. And then aside from this bigger video with the introduction, at the very end on the 25th day, that video will be a full-length video of everything we've covered in between, plus the outro. So let's have a look at number 1. Okay, so day number 1. Let's pull it out. And here is our little package. Looks like the color we have is called Pop Princess, and it is a thermal. All of these are going to be these containers. These are all different dip powders. Dipnotic is obviously a dip powder company. Of course, they will be linked below. We're going to put this back for safekeeping. Before we hop into that though, I wanted to show you this. They gave us a little thank you gift. It's an additional powder, and I don't know what's in here. I haven't looked at it yet, so let's open it. Amethyst crystals. Oh, they're little purple rhinestones. How pretty. And it looks like they're in assorted sizes, and they are super sparkly. I really like that. I am going to use these, obviously not in this video, but with something. As you guys know, I wear a respirator when I do dip nails because the dip liquids give me dip flu. So if I sound funny, that's because this is on my face. All right, hope you can hear me okay. So let's get this opened on up. Interesting. I bet this is the color it turns into. I've got a swatch stick ready here, and then we're going to use this dip set of liquids because I don't have the matching ones. All right, so day number 1, Pop Princess. Alrighty, and we dip her in. Ooh, that was very soft feeling. Look at that. It's almost like, you see how it looks powdery? Not like little acrylic particles. That's interesting. We'll tap that off. That is looking pretty already. Now we're gonna have to let this sit for a minute to dry before we go in with the activator and the top coat. One moment. Okay, that's had a moment. Let's dust it off. That's really pretty. I think we should do a second dip. I normally only do 1, but I think 2 dips would actually serve this better. Put some more base. You want to try and get this as smooth as you can, really. And let's dip that one in there. This container is so full. You really do have to try and be careful, or you're going to waste it. Oh yeah, that's looking good. A little dust. Look how pretty that purple is. I think purple must be the warm color because it's not getting darker. I'm going to have to get me some cold to put this on, or maybe not. We'll figure it out. Let's activate. Make sure when you're using your activator, you use a generous portion. You do want it to go all the way through to harden all of the layers that you use. You can use more than 2. 2 layers is a great amount for just a coat of color, but if you're building extensions, you want to remember thickness, and you'll have to build up those layers. Let's let that dry. This takes a little bit longer. Okay, let's do a top coat. Make it nice and shiny. How pretty is that? We're gonna give that just a few minutes to dry, and then we'll try and get it to change colors. Uh-oh, actually, while it was sitting here, it started changing colors. I don't know if that's because of the top coat or because I took the diffusers off of these lights. I felt like it was a little bit dark. This did say thermal, not UV, and these are not UV lamps. Interesting. Oh, it's going back to dark purple. I bet it was a reaction due to that top coat. Okay, looks like it's dry because I can touch it. I'm gonna try and like wave it in the wind and see if that will change the color. No. Let's try holding it against my skin. Oh, it does. It's heat that makes it purple. I mean pink. It's heat that makes it pink. Ooh. So like if you're in the summertime and you go outside, this is probably gonna get hot. Interesting. I wonder if the patchiness is just because of the way it's in contact with my hand. Let's try and just do my whole thumb. I don't know. Maybe it's meant to be marbly with the color. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. But it's still very pretty. Alright. So that's it for number 1. So, I'll wrap it up. Links will be in the description along with any discount codes, affiliate links, anything like that if you want to check that out, see what kind of savings you can get. And then of course my socials are down there as well. Make sure that you are following me on those. Sometimes things happen over there that don't happen here. And I hope you've enjoyed these last 2 months. It has been packed. So much stuff. I'm hoping to have a little bit of a more relaxed time here come January. Maybe we can do some more experimenting. I've got some things that I would like to try out. Please make sure you are subscribed and here for my content. I really do appreciate when you watch my videos all the way through. Help me get that watch time up and being subscribed. And then of course your likes, your comments, your interaction, it helps the algorithm, it helps my channel grow, it helps me, and I really enjoy making these videos for you. And so I hope that you are enjoy watching them. But that's it. I'll let you get up out of here and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.